This problem is combining like terms to find perimeter. The first thing you want to do is you want to identify your like terms. I'm going to do this today by circling the like terms in the same color, in this case, purple. So I have like terms that all have the same variable raised to the same power. Those would be those first two terms there. And then in green, I'm going to circle the terms that all have the b value. Number 2 is to rewrite like terms together. Okay, so we have 2a plus 7a plus 7a plus 2a. And we have negative 2b twice and negative 4b twice. And the final step is to add or subtract like terms. Okay, so I want to add 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2. So that becomes 9 plus 9, which would give us 18a. And here we have negative 2b minus 8b, which would give us negative 10b. So my area, or excuse me, my perimeter, by combining like terms, is going to be putting those two together in an expression, 8a minus 10b.